Eggplant. 7. Amazing health benefits. Eggplant, that dark purple vegetable, is not just a delicious culinary ingredient, but also a rich source of health benefits. Known for its antioxidant properties, low-calorie content, and ability to improve heart and brain health, eggplant offers a wide range of advantages. In this article, we explore 7 amazing health benefits of eggplant. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Eggplant is packed with antioxidants, particularly niacin. These antioxidants act as a powerful shield, protecting brain cells from damage and fighting free radicals that can harm cells and contribute to chronic diseases. 2. Low in calories and fat. Eggplant is a low-calorie and low-fat vegetable, making it a healthy choice for weight management. It's also a good source of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. 3. May help manage blood sugar levels. Eggplant contains soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 4. Supports heart health. Eggplant is a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and can reduce the risk of heart disease. It also contains fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. 5. May boost brain function. The niacin in eggplant has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Studies have shown that it may protect brain cells from damage and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 6. May have anti-inflammatory properties. Eggplant contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. 7. Versatile and delicious. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in many different ways. It can be grilled, roasted, baked, or fried, and it pairs well with a variety of flavors.